Now at 11, the Menendez brothers were sent to jail for life. But tonight, after 34 years behind bars, a stunning decision from the L.A. District Attorney could set them free. Good evening. I'm Cher Calvin.
And I'm Rick Chambers. Micah has the night off. Decades after the shotgun murders of their parents, Lyle and Eric Menendez one step closer now to being free.
L.A. County's district attorney is throwing his support behind the effort to get the brothers' original sentencing enhancement of life without parole thrown out. George Gascon recommended that the brothers be resentenced to 50 years to life in prison. Because of their age at the time of the murders, Eric and Lyle would be eligible for parole immediately. KTLA's Mary Beth McDade joins us now with more on Gascon's decision and its implications. MB?
Well, Sharon, Rick, the Los Angeles District Attorney's Office filed its resentencing recommendation with the court today. The DA says he believes a reduced sentence is in the interest of justice for the brothers. After 3 decades behind bars, he feels they've paid their debt to society, have been rehabilitated, and did suffer years of molestation.
I came to a place where I believe that under the law, resentencing is appropriate.
A day, no doubt, many thought they'd ever see. A path to freedom for Lyle and Eric Menendez, who've been behind bars for decades.
They have been in prison for nearly 35 years. I believe that they have paid their debt to society.
The brothers were sentenced to life without the possibility of parole after murdering their parents, Kitty and Jose, in 1989.
We're going to recommend to the court that the life without the possibility of parole be removed and that they would be sentenced for murder.
He says that would carry 50 years to life with the possibility of parole, 25 years for each parent.
However, because of their age, under the law, since they were under 26 years of age at the time that these crimes occurred, they will be eligible for parole immediately.
He explained a resentencing doesn't focus on what the original crimes were.
But it focuses on, has the person been rehabilitated, number one, and number two, can they be released safely into the community?
Many, including prison officials, have said their brothers have been rehabilitated. They've been counseling other inmates, working on college degrees, and carried out a green space project on the prison yard. The DA says he believes the brothers' claims that they suffered a lifetime of sexual abuse by their parents. His office has now filed their resentencing recommendation with the courts.
This step gives us all hope that the truth will finally be heard and that Lyle and Eric can begin to heal from the trauma of their past.
Both the judge and parole board will need to agree with the DA's resentencing recommendation. The brothers' attorney, Mark Garagos, remains optimistic.
I believe before Thanksgiving they will be home. I still believe that.
Well, today's recommendation has to do with the resentencing petition that was filed a few months ago, not the habeas petition, which was filed last year. You may recall the habeas petition involves new pieces of evidence that supports the brothers' claims of a lifetime of sexual abuse. Now that petition is still pending. Rick?
All right, MB, thanks for that.